Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to replace the headlights in your Nissan Titan. If you have small arms, you can easily access the headlights from the top, and it will only take less than 5 minutes to replace both the high beam and the low beam light. Today I'm gonna be using this LED light bulb that Auxbeam provided to me. I like this design because this thing actually have an OEM size match. So basically it is plug and play. You don't have anything dangling around like other LED lights. So let me open this thing and show you how it looks like. Inside the box you have your cotton gloves, so this is going to help you prevent touching the LED lights and transferring the oil from your hands to the LED, because that's going to cause a lot of hot spots and it will reduce the life of your bulb. Inside you also have your Auxbeam stickers. If you like putting stickers in your car, you have your warranty card, and you have your user manual. It also gives you an extra O-rings. Okay, so inside you have your two types of bulb. You have the H11 and you have your 9005. So their design is basically about the same except for the rubber gaskets and the O-rings. This whole body is actually one piece and made of metal. This is powered by 9 to 12 volt DC. It has 6500 white focus beam, so there's gonna be no dark spots, shadow, and it's also not going to blind the traffic in front of you. It has a 5-layer cooling system with built-in 15,000 RPM silent fan. Inside is a pure copper baseboard. And right here is your fishbone style heatsink. It's going to easily control heat and gain an extended service life of over 60,000 hours. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to install it on this passenger side so we can compare the difference between the new LED light compared to my old halogen light. To access the top light, you can actually do it from here. To access the bottom light, you can do it from this side right here. Okay, so first we're gonna access the top bulb. So the easiest way I found is basically to just remove the bulb first. So you want to fill the housing right here. Once you are able to access it, all you need to do is just turn the bulb counterclockwise. So it's gonna be a little tight because it has a rubber seal. Okay, so you just turn the bulb counterclockwise, and once you turn it counterclockwise, you'll be able to pull it. And let me show you this. The reason that I asked you to remove the bulb first instead of removing the electrical connector is because it's really hard to remove this. This thing, you need to like pull it this way and then pull the bulb slowly. Okay, so if you do it from inside, it's gonna be really hard. So right now I was able to just pull it out. And the bulb that you need for this one is your H11. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that thing hanging. Next is I'm going to remove the other bulb right here, and I can access it like this up to my elbow. And once I access it, I'll just have to push the connector, and once you pull the connector out, you just have to twist the bulb counterclockwise, and once you do that, you can just pull it out. And this one here is your 9005. So now I'm gonna wear the provided gloves so I can put in the new bulbs. I'm gonna start with this 9005. I'm gonna put it on the bottom hole right here. So just gonna go fill it here and put it on. Okay, so I'm sorry I cannot show this to you because it's really tight right here. And then I'm gonna get my H11 and put it on this side right here. Okay, let me just put my hand here, and then I'll just install this wiring harness. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so let me just show you the difference between the two. This one here is the LED bulb, and this is the halogen. Okay, so this is the LED with high beam. This is the halogen with high beam. Okay, so this is how it looks like at night with the regular lights on. And this thing is with a high beam on. And this is how it looks like from the inside. The right side is the LED and the left side is the halogen. So let me go ahead and turn on the high beam. You can see the difference in the lights from the right side and the left side.